Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of endless hair removal struggles? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cold waxes to bring you the ultimate guide on achieving smooth, hair-free skin effortlessly. Say goodbye to razor burns and salon appointments because we're unveiling the 7 best cold waxes that promise salon quality results right in the comfort of your home. Stick around to discover the perfect solution for your hair removal needs. Number 1. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for Brazilian Wax, your ultimate solution to achieving salon quality results in the comfort of your own home. Designed with convenience and effectiveness in mind, this kit includes everything you need for a seamless waxing experience. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit boasts durability and reliability, ensuring long-lasting performance. The ergonomic design of the wax warmer provides easy handling and precise temperature control, guaranteeing optimal wax consistency for flawless hair removal. Featuring a user-friendly interface, this kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced waxing enthusiasts alike. The comprehensive set includes premium hard wax beans formulated for Brazilian waxing, along with applicator sticks and pre/post waxing oils for a professional finish. Experience the effectiveness of Tress Wellness Waxing Kit as it effortlessly removes even the shortest and coarsest hair, leaving your skin smooth and silky for weeks. Plus, with its affordable price point, you can enjoy the luxury of salon-quality waxing at a fraction of the cost. Number 2. GiGi AllPurpose Honey Hair Removal Soft Wax, your trusted partner for achieving smooth, hair-free skin effortlessly. Designed for all skin and hair types, this versatile wax is formulated to effectively remove unwanted hair from head to toe. Crafted with precision and care, GiGi's signature All-Purpose Honey Soft Wax is renowned for its exceptional quality and performance. Its gentle yet powerful formula adheres to the hair, not the skin, minimizing discomfort and irritation during the waxing process. The ergonomic design of the 14 ounces jar ensures easy handling and application, making it ideal for both professional salons and at-home use. Plus, its ample size provides long-lasting value, allowing you to enjoy countless waxing sessions without worrying about running out. Experience the effectiveness of GiGi All-Purpose Honey Soft Wax as it effortlessly removes even the shortest and coarsest hair, leaving your skin silky smooth for weeks. Whether you're waxing your legs, arms, face, or bikini area, this versatile wax delivers impeccable results every time. Number 3. Veet Full Body Waxing Kit for Normal Skin, your comprehensive solution for achieving salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Designed with convenience and effectiveness in mind, this all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a smooth and effortless waxing experience. Featuring Veet's advanced formula, specially designed for normal skin, this waxing kit effectively removes even the shortest hairs from the root, leaving your skin smooth and hair-free for up to 4 weeks. Its gentle formula minimizes discomfort, making it suitable for even the most sensitive areas. The ergonomic design of the wax warmer ensures quick and easy heating, while the precise temperature control feature allows for optimal wax consistency every time. The kit includes pre-waxing wipes to cleanse and prepare your skin, along with post-waxing wipes enriched with moisturizing ingredients to soothe and nourish your skin after waxing. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, the Veet Full Body Waxing Kit is built to last, providing long-lasting performance and value. Plus, its affordable price point makes salon-quality waxing accessible to everyone. Number 4. Nads Body Wax Strips Hair Removal, the ultimate solution for smooth, hair-free skin in the comfort of your home. Designed with convenience and effectiveness in mind, these easy-to-use wax strips offer salon-quality results without the hassle or expense of professional treatments. Featuring a sleek and compact design, Nads Body Wax Strips are perfect for on-the-go use or at-home waxing sessions. Each strip is infused with Nads gentle formula, enriched with natural ingredients like beeswax and botanical oils, ensuring a smooth and comfortable hair removal experience. These wax strips effectively target even the shortest hairs, leaving your skin silky smooth for weeks. Plus, their durable construction ensures reliable performance without the risk of breakage or irritation. With NAD's body wax strips, you can achieve professional-grade results at a fraction of the cost. Say goodbye to razor burns and hello to long-lasting smoothness with this affordable hair removal solution. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of NAD's body wax strips hair removal and discover the secret to salon-worthy skin in the comfort of your own home. Transform your beauty routine today. Number 5. NAD's for Men Body Wax Strips, the ultimate solution for effortless hair removal at home. Specifically designed for men, these wax strips offer a convenient and effective way to achieve smooth, hair-free skin without the need for expensive salon visits. Featuring a masculine design and easy-to-use format, NAD's for Men Body Wax Strips are perfect for tackling unwanted hair on the chest, back, arms, and legs. Each strip is infused with NAD's powerful wax formula, which is tough on coarse hair yet gentle on the skin, ensuring a comfortable and effective hair removal experience. These wax strips are designed for maximum durability, providing reliable performance without the risk of breakage or irritation. Plus, their affordable price point makes them accessible to men of all budgets. With NAD's for Men Body Wax Strips, you can say goodbye to shaving and hello to long-lasting smoothness. Transform your grooming routine and experience the confidence of smooth, hair-free skin with this convenient and effective hair removal solution. Discover the secret to effortless hair removal with NAD's for Men Body Wax Strips and take control of your grooming routine today. Number 6. Persian Cold Wax Hair Remover Kit, your trusted solution for effective and convenient hair removal at home. This all-in-one kit is designed to effortlessly remove unwanted hair from head to toe, leaving your skin soft and hair-free for weeks. Crafted with precision and care, Persian Cold Wax features a gentle yet powerful formula that effectively grips and removes even the shortest and coarsest hairs, while minimizing discomfort and irritation. Its unique cold waxing technique eliminates the need for heating, making it a hassle-free and mess-free hair removal solution. The ergonomic design of the kit ensures easy handling and application, while the included spatula and reusable fabric strips provide optimal results with every use. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. Experience the effectiveness and durability of Persian Cold Wax as it delivers salon-quality results without the hefty price tag. Say goodbye to expensive salon appointments and hello to smooth, beautiful skin at a fraction of the cost. With Persian Cold Wax Hair Remover Kit, achieving flawless results has never been easier or more affordable. Transform your beauty routine and experience the confidence of silky smooth skin today. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for joining us as we explore the top 7 cold waxes for achieving silky smooth skin. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and product recommendations. Have you tried any of the waxes mentioned? Share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, stay smooth and confident.